instruments at first, so that you know what we are looking at, and then use all kinds of numbers of different tanks, because this is from where we pick up ballast. We take water in for a bigger draft. Usually we are at 6 feet of draft, now we are at 7. Then you have a phone over there, which is used for communication in between the ships, and you have a dial with a joystick over there on the left hand side, the black one, Bosch, and that is for moving the camera around. Yeah, on the screen over there, captain can choose which.
What's happening?
Yeah. So he's checking what you're eating when you're going to sleep and all this.
Is that in
Then you have
your
You have two touchpad dials over there, such as this one right here. These are for giving different, for selecting different amounts of power in between the engines, provided that we have diesel engines turning the power into electricity, right?
It's all diesel, right?
It's all diesel, but the ship runs on electricity. So basically, the diesel engines produce electricity, yeah, through
So
generators.
electricity drives the
Electricity drives the actual propellers.
Propellers,
Yeah.
really?
Yes.
Wow.
We have the engines like this, the propellers. You see, there is a screen over there, top left.
Yeah.
It shows two drive shafts, two with each and every having 2 propellers. So we have 4 there and 4 here. 8 propellers in total, sitting on 4 different shafts, and these are displayed over there with their power and their motion.
Okay, they can go back to move sideways.
360.
360. Wow.
Over there in the middle, the screen, the small one above, is the screen for the bow thruster. The bow thruster is actually a jet engine and shoots water at high speed, not 90 degrees. So when we are turning, basically, we're just putting them to work one against the other, and you have a 360 in 1 minute.
Are all the propellers on the rear?
All the propellers are at the rear, and they sit above the keel level. Yeah. So the keel at the aft is further up, and that's why we can slide into half a meter of water. Yeah, we don't need more than half a meter to be sailing under the keel. That is, not under the very surface of the water.
So when he made that, 180 going back, did he
Yes.
use those side thrusters?
Yes.
Okay.
The side thrusters are directed from that joystick over there, which is just
Okay.
further up, and those at the back are from here. Basically, all of this turns around. Then over there on the left hand side, under the screen that shows the propellers, you have a dial, a screen that shows now 8.7.
Right.
That is the depth of water in meters under the keel. Right under that you have the map, which is a GPS positioning system, and it also shows other boats that are around, because they are all connected to the same centralized GPS. In the middle you have the actual most important tool, the radar with the sonar that shows the actual physical grounds, which you need to take care of. And then, so the bumps over there are the ships over there, right? Here you see that we are sailing at 23.5 kilometers an hour, and that's also the coordinates that are used. This is a PA system. Captain can communicate with the ship, and this is part of the automatic pilot, which is not. Automatic pilot is only a general name, but it's not really automatic, provided that the captain steers it continuously, provided that this will keep the course you are setting, but will only go straight, or whatever you give it.
Yeah, the river.
The dial over there in the center shows 0 degrees, right? Well, that can change, but the captain needs to, of course, adjust it at all times. Also, another very important tool is the brush over there, for just dusting the screens so you can see them properly.
So Valentin, the red letters I'm saying, that's the depth under the keel?
Yes, sir. In meters, depth of
Under
water
the keel. So right now we got 6.3 meters
And
under the keel.
It goes up and down, you will see
Yeah.
rapidly.
Yeah.
What is the draft of the ship?
1.7 meters, 6
Okay.
feet. Now we have actually 7 feet because we've taken ballast. So we have sunk a bit.
Is that for stability?
For stability, and also we know that this is higher water, so we can afford to do that.
So with the meandering river,
Yes.
you know, an autopilot isn't worth anything.
It does, because
Constant-
it's considered to be an autopilot, provided that it keeps the speed, it keeps the power shared within the engines, and you don't have RPMs high.
Yeah,
for-
You don't have to keep
You
adjusting. it.
Exactly, yes.
You know, it's not
exactly.
just the course.
So basically, this
Yeah.
is what you would have a wheel, yeah, an actual wheel in a old ship.
You can have it on the hand. This is the picture from the steering wheel.
Yeah,
And now it's like with the
Yeah.
comic distinct.
you see how it's changing over there.
Yeah.
So
So it's, when you put it on what you call automatic pilot,
Yes.
when it sees ships like this on
Yeah.
the side or coming towards us, does it automatically adjust or
No.
not?
No.
So
Automatic
that's all
pilot.
done manually.
No. Automatic
Straight.
pilot
that is
basically.
not automatic
it means-
pilot. I
Keeps the speed.
switch it on. Automatic. No.
Yeah. Okay.
Now because see it is
Right.
so.
Mhm.
Basically, this would be a cruise control if you wish,
Right.
not
Okay.
a automatic
Yeah,
pilot.
that
A cruise
makes sense.
control, I would call it.
Yeah.
Like in a car, you know, you cannot afford to go in the back seat after you
Right,
set that
right.
on because.
Can you plot a course and plug it into the automatic pilot?
No.
No.
Okay.
No, the river.
Yeah. No, because even if you go straight, if the river, let's say for 500 meters is straight, but then you have sand dunes,
Mhm.
the river travels 6 kilometers an hour. The sand dunes or gravel, whatever is underneath, stones, may be moved from last trip, right? Because of the high, low water, so you cannot really take for granted anything. Therefore, the captain has to keep looking into that and adjust accordingly.
What
So,
did you
so,
guys do
so
again?
I don't want to belay our point.
No.
But the automatic pilot
Oh.
Yes.
is just for speed and power. It's
Yes.
not course.
No, not good. Well,
Direction do the course
you
with
can
that.
do the course, but if
Okay,
you
on.
don't adjust it, it goes straight to the last course you have
Right.
given to him.
Right. You, and like we
That
talked.
is only I make. So
Look, it was adjusted now, and you see the dial over there.
Yeah.
now it's coming
Oh,
automatically 5 degrees
Yeah,
in minutes.
Yeah.
4.
yeah. You see, 5 degrees.
But it is
And
not
now
good.
he has to go back because otherwise we will be.
Not
Cool.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
Yo,
radar stuff.
and basically what we're seeing when you turn that,
yeah you see
Is
the
you-
actual propellers.
Yeah.
you're rotating
The
the
propellers.
props. Yeah.
To show that it's, how this is working.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
And if a ship is coming up,
Yes.
how can you tell on the screens whether you have enough distance
Ah,
between your
for-
ship and the...
first of all,
and the
there
other
there is a
ships?
law on who keeps right, who keeps left.
Right,
And then you reduce the speed and communicate your position, and then how
So
you
you
know
do-
is basically on
Your
experience.
Achter en
Your
uit.
experience, you've been trained for it.
Yeah.
and when you're coming up to a lock, do you communicate then with the lock and
yes,
tell them
as we
you're
were coming
coming?
into the lock, for
Right.
example, the lock master first of all told us to slow down already 6
Yeah.
kilometers ahead, so he gave us 20 minutes. We had, we still had 6 kilometers to go, but he told us that he wants us in 20 minutes there. So this is what you do, that's it, no
Right.
negotiation.
Right.
And then you are told to go on the left chamber or right chamber, you go, you align, and that's it.
And then he directs
Yes.
who leaves the lock
Now we are
first.
back in the Donau River.
Yeah,
Danube
Mhm.
River.
now we're back on the Danube River.
And the rear
That is enough.
thrusters, where are they controlled?
11 kilometers to the Black Sea.
Oh.
So the thrusters are
Rear
Rear.
thrusters,
The-
where are they controlled?
right here. These two,
Those,
these
is this
two,
rear, these control those
these
thrusters?
two are from the back, and the other one is from the front.
Okay,
And this set of controls are also on both sides because you need to
Right.
align the ship
yeah,
in low.
exactly,
So you
great
need to
for
be out.
docking,
Yeah,
yeah.
They're outside too.
They're outside in that white box over there.
Now it's coming. Now we are on the river. We have to go on the left, on this side, then on the right.
I saw
range,
that.
So now you're
ranges.
basically driving
Lower
it.
record.
It's not just floating around, you're driving it because you need to take it through the deepest.
And is there when they maintain the main channel, is it a guaranteed depth?
Not really, no,
Yes, I know.
because the water level fluctuates from day to day.
Yeah,
So no, there isn't any.
They don't?
The water levels are communicated every day.
So the red one is on the
No.
right.
Right,
and
going
then
this
there's the
direction?
straight one
That's it.
is green,
There
Yeah.
you
So-
go.
red and green. Red on the right, red going right,
Because what-
going
South,
south.
going out the river.
Du säger good, speak good Hungarian. Michael,
Going
speak
down.
very good Hungarian, huh?
Yes. So we're currently going upriver,
No,
downriver. So the red boys are on our right.
Yes.
Red boys return.
Okay,
okay.
good, my dears.
Which country we're in?
That radar on the left tells you generally what the
It's a map.
outline of
It's
the
a map,
river is. It's a
basically.
map.
It's a map.
This is the one that tells you details.